Hello everybody, welcome to my class. Today I am going to solve a trigonometrical problem. So you can see that you can solve this trigonometrical equation, and the value of x that you obtained through this equation should be between negative pi to positive pi. I think all the values that we get from this equation after we solve it, and I think all the values will fit between negative pi and positive pi. But still, usually you'll see in the problem that the range of value of x are usually given. So let's start solving this problem. So here we have cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x equal to minus 1 given. You transpose this 1 towards left, then you can see here is that it is if it is negative 1, this side it will be positive 1. So it is going to be like 1 plus cos 2x, then rest of the terms are cos 4x plus cos 6x, and as it has been transposed towards the left, so here you can see it is 0. Now in order to solve this sort of equation, you should be confident in applying trigonometrical formula. So here, if you think over these two terms, you can see it's like cos c plus d, cos c plus cos d, and here in this part of the formula, if you multiply by 2 and also divide this by 2, then you know that 1 plus cos 2x by 2 equal to cos square x, that you are confident in applying the formula in the real time. And similarly you can apply cos c plus cos d formula in these two terms. So let's go ahead. So after that you can see that it is 2 is here, and 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is cos square x. And now you know the cos c cos d formula as 2 cos c plus d by 2 times cos c minus d by 2. So here in place of c you can see this is 4x, and here in place of d you can see it is 6x. So we apply this sort of formula to these two terms, then you will have 2 times of cos c plus d, means it is 4x plus 6x by 2, and then c minus d, that means cos c minus d means 4x minus 6x by 2, and finally it is equal to 0. And now after that you can see here that this is 2 and 2 common out, and if you transpose this to the another side, so 0 divided by 2 will be 0. So I am not writing this term. So here in these two terms, let's go further. So it is cos square x plus cos, you can check 4x plus 6x is 10x, divided by 2 is 5x. So cos 5x is here, and it is times 4x minus 6x is cos minus 2x, and divided by 2 is minus x equals to 0. And then let's go further again. It is cos square x plus cos 5x, and you know that cos minus any angle is cos of that angle, so here theta, and here it is x. So we have here that's equal to cos x equals to 0. You can see cos x and cos x, these are the common terms. So it is cos x is taken common out. In that case you are left with here cos x, and here plus cos 5x, because this cos x has been taken common out, and it is equals to 0. And then you can see that this is an equation in the factor form. That means either cos x is 0 or cos x plus 5x is 0 or both 0. So in this case, taking taking cos x 0, you can see that x equals to cos inverse of 0. So the principal value for cos 0 degree is, here 0 means this is degree, is pi by 2. That means 90 degrees. So you can write here pi by 2 in the radian form. Also you can express in degree form. In order to say this is in the degree form, you have to say this is 90 degree. And next you have another factor also. So here another factor as cos x plus, so here cos x plus cos 5x equals to 0 again. So here in this case you can see again this is in the form of the formula for the cos c plus cos d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times cos c minus d by 2. So here we apply the same. So in the further term, what you can see here is that it is 2 cos x plus 5x by 2. That means c plus, in place of c there is x here in this case, and in place of d it is 5x. So c, and then cos x minus 5x by 2, and that is equal to 0. And then after you can see here 2, if it goes to another side, transpose to another side, so it is divided to the 0, so it is 0. So it is cos x plus 5 is 6x divided by 2 is, it is cos 3x, and then it is x minus 5x is minus 4x by 2 is minus 2x, and cos minus theta is cos theta. So what you can write here, it is cos 2x, and this equals to 0. So that means, therefore you can write here that here I am here from here now. So cos 3x equal to 0 or cos 2x equal to 0. In both the cases you can see that 3x equals to cos inverse 0 is pi by 2, and 2x equals to, you have again it is pi by 2. So I don't have enough space, so I will go up here somewhere. So let me clear off some space outside. So after we continue from here up till here is that start from here. So it is now 3x equals to, we have pi by 2. It gives you x equals to pi by 6, and again you have 2x equals to pi by 2. Then it gives you x equals to, when you transpose this is multiplied, so divided over here, so it is pi by 2 times of 2 equals to pi by 4. So therefore the solution of this equations, for these equations are x equals to, first value we have here somewhere, it is pi by 2. So one value as pi by 2, and another value as here you can see it is pi by 6, and then it is pi by 4. You can write in any order. So in fact these are the values of x which are also the solution for the given equation, and these are the answer. So just by writing the answers is not enough here. So in this case you have to put all these values here in the given equation. If you see that if left side equal to right side, then you can say that yes, this value verify the given equation, and hence this value of x is pi by 2. And also you can check for another values like pi by 6, pi by 4. So in that case you just take the calculator and put the value directly over. You will definitely get for all the three values. If you put to the left side, you will get the value which are minus 1, which are given in the right side. So this way we can solve the trigonometrical problem.